Welcome. In this video, we'll go through how to remove yourself from a delegated role on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the web version on your PC. If someone has added you as a delegate on their account and you no longer want access, this quick walkthrough will help you leave that role in just a few minutes. Let's get it started. First, open your browser and go to x.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on the More icon. This will open up a list of additional options. Next, go to Settings and Privacy. Inside the Settings page, find and click on Security and Account Access. This section controls how your account connects with other users and what roles or permissions are linked to it. After that, go to Delegate. This is where you'll see two key areas: accounts you've delegated to others and accounts that have been delegated to you. Since we're removing yourself from a delegated role, click on Accounts Delegated to You. Now you'll see a list of accounts that currently have you listed as a delegate. From here, select the specific account you want to remove yourself from. This will open the account details and give you the option to update your access. Once you've chosen the account, click Leave Account. A confirmation message will pop up to make sure you really want to remove yourself. Go ahead and confirm by clicking Leave Again. And that's it. You've successfully removed yourself from the delegated role on X. From now on, you'll no longer have access to manage or act on that account, and the changes take effect instantly. This simple process gives you control over where your access is shared, keeping your X experience secure and organized. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out more tutorials on the latest X updates and features to stay in control of your account settings.